I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple mango pie. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh, ripe fruit. Next, prepare your pie crust, either homemade or store-bought. Then, combine the fruit with spices and a thickening agent for a delicious filling. Finally, assemble and bake your pie until it's golden brown and bubbly. This guide will walk you through each step for a perfect dessert. Let's create that irresistible filling. Start by peeling, coring, and thinly slicing about 4 medium apples. Then, peel and dice 2 large, ripe mangoes, making sure they are sweet and firm. In a bowl, combine the fruit with 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and a pinch of cinnamon. A dash of nutmeg will add a lovely warmth to your pie. Now let's put it all together. Roll out 1 pie crust and carefully fit it into a 9-inch pie dish. Pour your delicious apple and mango filling evenly into the bottom crust. For the top, you can use a second crust, cutting vents or creating a beautiful lattice design. Finally, crimp the edges firmly to seal the pie, ensuring no filling escapes during baking. It's time to bake your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the pie on a baking sheet and bake for 50 to 60 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Once baked, let it cool completely on a wire rack before slicing. Serve your warm apple mango pie with a scoop of vanilla ice cream for a truly delightful dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.